Cassaundra Kassis, and I am a third-year day student at McGeorge. I'm originally from the San Fernando Valley in Los Angeles County. I wanted to go to law school because I've always been big on helping people and wanting to help people more with legal issues, because I feel like that's a really hard place to access. A lot of people, especially people of color, don't really know a lot of their rights and stuff. But if you ask my parents, it's because I like to argue. I chose McGeorge because I really liked the program and how there was an emphasis on legal writing and also oral advocacy, because I've never really been big on speaking in front of a lot of people. And also just the size of the school really drew me here. I like that you can really make a connection with your class and with the professors in a way that other schools just don't have. I really want to work with nonprofits and be in-house counsel for nonprofits. I've been working with some throughout my time at McGeorge, so just helping others access legal services is mostly what I really want to do. I worked at a nonprofit in Texas over this past summer called American Gateways, and its main focus that I worked with was working with victims of crime who needed to obtain citizenship in the United States. Those who were either harmed here or on the way here, like trafficking offenses and stuff like that. So I really liked being able to help them gain a pathway to citizenship. So I'm vice president of the Women of Color Collective here on campus, and a main reason why we started it on campus is to allow women of color and just any student of color that really needs a safe place on campus. There are just a lot of people who aren't from Sacramento, like myself and my friends, and through law school it's a really hard process, and we want to provide a safe place for those who want to talk about issues and struggles they're going with, especially just women, open to people who don't identify as women, but just being inclusive of everyone on campus. Yeah, I really have made a lot of lifelong friends in law school. My best friend is the president of WOC. She started it, and I helped her just kind of get its feet on the ground, and I really have loved the friendships that I've made here. And also, I was Unity Caucus representative last year for WOC, and I got to work with an organization that I really didn't know was on campus. And so basically we help students who feel like they're being discriminated against, or just with any issues that they're having on campus. And we were even able to sit down with the deans and talk about some issues students were having, and that was a really fun involvement as well. Yes, I joined Moot Court I applied last year, and so as a 3L you're allowed to be a full team member. And I really joined because Professor Croxall had nominated me for the 2L competition, and he probably doesn't even know that he's the main reason why I joined, but he really instilled a confidence in me that I am capable of really doing well in oral arguments, and my writing was improving, so he really helped me flourish there. So I decided to apply, and this year I have done one competition already. I have another competition in a few weeks, and I'm really excited for that. I did an externship at the California Victims Resource Center here on campus, and I worked there all of my second year, and that was a really great experience, getting to work with victims and letting them know their rights, especially because here, at least it's not a very big legal field. There's a lot of people who don't even know that they have these rights, and it's also not throughout the nation. So knowing that in California we have these rights and making sure people have access to them was really important to me.